Today's the day that my book officially got published. I spent an entire year working on writing this book. I put my heart and soul into it, and I really hope that you guys find it helpful. What'd your mom do today?
Publish a book.
Woohoo! What'd you think?
It's a nice book. Look at that to me and people can see me.
Isn't that crazy?
Who is this? What's your picture?
That's me.
Chloe's even reading it. Oh, Chloe, this is TT's book.
Yay! I probably shouldn't be filming this because I just got out of the pool and my hair looks like shit, but whatever. I'm just super excited right now. I tried to think of everything that I wish that I knew when I first started my Cricut journey. I always wish that there was a book like this to help me, walk me through all of the steps. YouTube videos are great and all, but they are time consuming to get through. You know, the average YouTube video is like 10 minutes long. So with a book, you can read through it a lot faster, so you can learn how to do things in a lot less time. And this is my daughter, Sierra. You've probably seen her in videos from many years ago. She used to help me out. We were the mommy and me.
Cricketing team.
The mommy and me. Cricketer team. It was more fun when she was 3.
Hi, I'm Sierra, and it's the Mommy and Me Cricket team. And the Mommy and Me Cricketer team.
The mommy and me.
Cricketer team. The Mommy and Me Cricketer team.
So I'm just super excited to share this big news with you guys. I feel like it's not very often that, you know, someone goes and writes a book, and especially for these guys, the For Dummies people, they're iconic and they've been around since like the 1990s. I even found some books cleaning out my dad's house. Was it Digital Photography for Dummies and Religion for Dummies? So I have everything in my book that I wish that I had when I first started. There's chapters on working with vinyl, which you can use to make wine decals and decals for your car, in the wall. You can stick it on any smooth surface. I've put it on flower pots. I also have a chapter on heat transfer vinyl, which is what you can use to make shirts and stuffed animals. What else can you put it on? Pillows, blankets,
Hats.
What else? We also have chapters on making cards. You can make paper flowers, which we've made shadow boxes with before on YouTube. I actually made this with a Cricut. So in my backyard, we were about to go back in the pool, and we have these horse flies, and they're awful. They bite us. So I like wearing hats in the pool so then they don't bite my head. And I made this one using glitter heat transfer vinyl. Is it glitter? Is this glitter? Yeah. Glitter heat transfer vinyl and the HTV hat heat press.
We should buy her book.
You should buy my book. There is so much helpful information in there. Everything that I wish I knew as a beginner.
Because we're so broke.
All right, we're going to edit that out. Sierra wants a better pool than this, so buy lots of books. You can buy it online, you can buy it in stores, you can buy it at Barnes & Noble and Amazon. I just went to Barnes & Noble today with my kids, and my friend bought it. So we got to see it IRL, and they took my picture, and they're going to put it on their Instagram page, and I'm just super excited.
Buy her book on Amazon and buy a lot of them because we're broke.
Sierra! Buy a lot of them because you want your mom to be very successful, and let's make it a New York Times bestseller. I think you only have to sell 5,000 copies of a book in 1 week to be a New York Times bestseller, so that's easy. We can do that.
Can we go in the pool now?
All right. Is your brother still in there? Yep. All right, time to go swimming. Go buy my book. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.